This unit plan project is going to be on the Renaissance for a social science classroom for 7th grade. The first tool I will be explaining is Blabberize. Blabberize is an awesome online website that allows a student to upload an image from the internet and then use a Photoshop tool to cut out their mouths and then record their voice talking as if the image was talking for them. I plan on using Blabberize for students to present research information. They're going to be researching a historical figure from the Renaissance. They're going to write a narration in first-person perspective. They're going to record their narration using Blabberize, and then we're going to show the Blabberize to the rest of the class. I'm hoping it's going to be really fun and engaging. So how I'm going to introduce Blabberize is by creating a YouTube video very similar to the one I'm doing right now that teaches them how to create, how to save, and how to share their Blabberize with the rest of the class. I'm going to allow them to create a fun Blabberize first. They can have a cat saying meow or a unicorn saying, I'm magical, anything fun that they want to do just to get them comfortable and familiar with using Blabberize. But also I want them to have some buy-in so that when we do academic content, they're more willing to participate in that. I'm going to give them 2 Google Docs. One is going to be on Google Classroom. It's going to have information and instructions of how to do their research project. And then the other handout, they're going to record their information and write their narration for Blabberize. Now, the second tool I will be explaining is Socrative. Socrative is a tool that allows the teacher to create quizzes and tests and quick formative assessments, and then students will be answering those questions and getting instant feedback that will tell them how well they're doing on the quizzes. How I'm going to introduce Socrative is by teaching them why. Why are we going to do Socrative? Why are we going to test our knowledge and test our memory? Teaching them about recalling facts, but also how to analyze their own feedback and analyze their own test results so they can be thinking about how they learn and trying to teach them some metacognition skills. The first day, I'm going to give them the code to enter Socrative. It's very similar to Google Classroom. And then the exit ticket, I'm going to have them answer a short answer question, a fun question, something silly, similar to Blabberize, just to get them familiar with Socrative. The next day, I'm going to have them answer a content true-false question and then explain their instant feedback results so they can start to think about how they're learning and processing in the classroom. And then throughout the rest of the few weeks for the Renaissance unit, I'm just going to have them answer multiple choice questions, true, false questions, and also participate in weekly space races, very similar to Kahoot or quizzes where they compete against their classmates for questions and some content knowledge questions as well. So through Blabberize and Socrative, I hope my students become engaged and creative thinkers and think about their own thinking. And hopefully these 2 tools will be very exciting for them as well.